There it is. We are live. Good evening, everybody. So if you're watching this and it does not say live at the bottom of the screen, unfortunately, you're watching the recap and we're doing something a little bit different here. We are live here at night. It is 7:20 p.m. Pacific time, 10 p.m. Eastern, but futures have gapped down 400 points. So this is going to get a little interesting here. So we have a lot to talk about. We will discuss this. If you are watching the recap, make sure you tune here in the morning, baby, okay? So we're live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. Yes, baby. Look at the Colt, baby. Woo! Yeah, you guys early. We're going to go all night, baby. No. I have to go to a dinner here, but things are a little bit falling behind. Things are lagging, so I was like, you know what? I gotta talk to the Colt about this because there's a few things we got to watch. So good evening, baby. Oh, look at you guys. Man, I didn't think you guys would come up on here. Did everybody watch the watch list too? If you did not check it out, we have the watch list, nightly watch list every single night, baby. Very, very important. Oh, there it is. There's the Colt right there, baby. So come to the channel here, but this is the watch list. If you guys haven't checked this out, we went over everything, and even on the car channel. I don't know if you guys saw. If you guys come here to the car channel, we posted the Tesla hack. But let's get into this, man. Let's get into this, Cole. We need to talk about this, bro. And let me tell you something. It's nighttime. You know, I could get into some philosophy here for you. I just want to let y'all know you blessed. You have good things coming your way. Just receive it, man. All you need is a little bit of belief, man. Accept it, accept it, accept it. Take it in, man. That's it. That's all I got for you, okay? I love y'all. That's it. I want y'all to receive it, man. It's all in your head. You just need belief, man. That's the prerequisite for anything. So that's it, man. Get hyped, baby. Good evening. That Colt at night, baby. This is late night Colt activity. Okay, don't let anybody see what you're doing. They might get suspicious if they see you engaging in this late night Coltivity. Okay? So watch out, baby. All right, so let's talk about this. This is wild. This is probably one of the biggest drops. The first thing that comes to mind, actually, what is the first thing that comes to mind? There is one thing we have to watch out for when you see this drop here. There is something that is coming up here. So what is the first thought that you guys should have? I want to see how seasoned you guys are with these drops and everything. I want to know where you guys are at. What is the first thing? What is it? Let's see if you guys know. It is the dollar. It's not the dollar. Well, the dollar's important. Currency is going to be important. But there's some. I want to see how you guys. Expectations. Nobody said it. I saw one person say it earlier. No oil. No. Corona futures. Or look at the chat, baby. They come alive in the night, baby. They come alive in the night. Elections could be important, and that could be factoring into some of it, but that's not it. Yeah, TOT going pop, baby. Get ready for that. But that's not it. All right, look at this. I love it. Clap it up, baby. Damn, baby. All right, I'm gonna hit y'all. Slow down. Holy shit. Bro, the chat is more active than in the daytime. There's 126 chats per minute. Woo! That's real fast right there. Okay, so here it is. I need to reel you guys back in. I know you're excited. I know you see the drop, but this is what I want to reel you back into. This is the first thought that should come to mind that a lot of you missed out on. So I don't care if you're a bear chaser. Yeah, we got puts. We have that. We can make money on it. Control your expectations, ladies and gentlemen. Control your expectations. The first thing when you see a drop in futures this large, you should be thinking about the rip. Where does it open up in the morning? That is the key. There's a chance now this is either going to be a sell the rip event. It might bounce up, come down, bounce up, and then you sell it, or it could rip straight up. You have to watch out for that. So that's the first thing I'm going to bring up. Nobody brought that up. All those messages, nobody said that at all. So really, really, really think about that, okay? You will be surprised. Amen. I want you guys to start understanding that sometimes these moves, it's going to go crazy. It'll go up and down, but you have to pay attention to how the wave operates. Remember, it's going to get pulled back, and then it's going to go in. Exactly, Efren. Tell them, baby. Volatility. That is the exact definition of volatility. That's what I want to make sure you guys don't miss. I don't want you to get hyped, because now if your expectations coming into the market are crazy, you know, in the morning you're going to get hyped, and then in that first 3 minutes you're going to go nuts and spend too much money. You don't have to. Let it come to you, okay? So you don't buy puts that open. So do you see what I'm saying? That I want you guys paying attention on this, but also we're going to ride the wave. We're not going to get too excited. We're not going to not get excited, right? So it could definitely, in the gap, and that's exactly, because those gaps, let's say it does open up here and then rip up, that's going to be your opportunity. And I don't want you to have, if you have expectations that it's going to crash and then it shoots up, you're going to trip out and then get all sad because that didn't happen. So keep that in mind. The first 30 minutes will be an opportunity. You could, it's not saying don't trade it. It is control the budget, but understand how, that's why you throw in one, wait 10 minutes, throw in 5 minutes even, throw in another, space out. You can space $100 in 5 orders, you know? So keep that in mind. So that's the first thing. Now, why is this happening? This is because of both the coronavirus. I still think there is some of Mr. Bernie Sanders in the background. I think that could definitely have an effect, but pretty much this weekend was a lot different than most of the other weekends. This weekend was very focused on the coronavirus outbreak, meaning a lot of this has happened, you know, in the sense that all the news was focusing on that. South Korea now has essentially become China in the sense of where it began. So that's the first thing. We got some comments from Xi Jinping, but now here's the next thing. Futures are down. This is going to be our play of the, I'm telling you guys, I want you to be smart tomorrow. I want you to be good. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is, bro. It's spreading. It was spreading. It was spreading like crazy. I mean, that's the important part. But our plays are gonna hit, baby. I'm just telling you now. The TLTs. You guys remember that crazy YOLO? That you guys made me money because you liked the video, and I accidentally got fat fingered, and now that thing might actually hit for us. But here's what I wanted to show you. Do you guys know what this chart is? Let's see if anybody watched the news video. /ZN. Anybody know what /ZN is? It's spreading in Italy. Italy has even shut down part of their places. So again, Corona is going to be an issue. I think I had Corona. Yeah, I think I did, man. Anybody know what /ZN is? 10-year treasury. Exactly. Let's go, Jordan. Tell them. So this is the treasuries. 50,000 quarantine. That's what's getting crazy here. So here's something to look at. I mean, I'll give you guys a play for tomorrow that I didn't get to put on. Well, even then, actually, how many people did everybody watch the watch list in here? Did everybody watch the watch list? Because I'm pretty much just going to explain what I explained on the watch list, because this is now with the bond shooting up like this, and now with everything I just told you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Look at the coke, baby. I love it. I love you guys. You know that? You guys know I love you. See, that's it. I'm waiting here. I got caught up tonight. I had to wait. I got stalled a little, and I was like, I just need to see my coat because I'm the only one watching this right now. I'm like, damn, this is crazy, bro. I love it. I love you guys. So Palo Alto is going to be important, but here's the play I explained in the watch list now. It's going to be spreading out the TLTs. So bonds now, here's the thing. The bond futures are up. That's what /ZN is. So bonds right now, you won't like the 10-year. If you come over here, take a look at the 10-year. The 10-year is not updated yet. So it's at 1.47. It should pretty much drop to like 1.43, I believe. But here's the thing now. The minute this breaks, this bond rate, you guys, because the futures have already went up 1/3% here. So look at bond futures are already up 1/3%. What's going to happen is TLT is going to be crazy tomorrow. It's down 0.119. Okay, yeah, so that'll be like down to 0.46 then. I think it's going to be, well, tomorrow could be a bloodbath, but watch out. I mean, I'm just telling you guys, digestion. That is going to be the most important thing because it might happen in waves. We might see the first move tomorrow, bounce up on Tuesday, or we go down 700 tomorrow, only to close down 400 right where we are at futures. And then it's going to take a few days. Digestion. God darn. But TLT, this is what I explained on the watch list. We have 3 different plays. We have the February 28th. We have the 150. So these ones, you guys better, y'all better play the plug because these ones could possibly get in the money tomorrow. I mean, let's see. What did bonds do? The bonds went up 1% yesterday off of how big of a move? Off of 0.1, yeah. So it's the same thing. So you could expect TLT to go up another $1. So TLT should be at 149 tomorrow, possibly. Again, these are all estimates. Nothing, I mean, until anything opens, we don't know shit. But if that's there, these are going to be close to the money. So these are going to hit. You could ghetto spread some of these or hold them. But then the next set, we have the March 30th or the March 20th. So then there's the March 20th and then there's the Aprils. Do you guys see what I'm doing with the TLTs? Because this is going to be the two important things now. I want you guys to be smart, control the budgets. Let's take our money. Don't go crazy, okay? But it's how we're going to go about spreading out this money. And then in the morning now, so someone remind me of this. I'm probably going to explain this in the morning. So shout out if you hear, man. I appreciate all of you guys. But what is really going to be the breakdown here is that let's say it comes up in the morning. Picture something like this, you guys. This is what I'm talking about, is where it's going to open up, it's going to shoot up, then it's going to come down. That's one opportunity to buy. Then it's going to shoot up and then come down a lot, and then there's going to be that final move. Are you guys with me? Is everyone following along? I want you guys to visualize this now, so when it happens live, I don't want you to trip out, because this is even going to be a reflection of the whole entire market tomorrow. This is how I love volatility, man. Why do I get off on this shit, man? Something's wrong with me. I need Jesus, man. Lord, pray for me. I need y'all to pray for me, man. This is exciting. This gets the people going, baby. But so I want you to visualize this now, because this is how it's going to look. You're going to see, now take a look. How did it look the other day? Boom. Market comes around, what happens? It shoots up, then it comes down, and then it pops up. This is the volatility of the stock market. This is how it always is going to play, okay? So then it's going to drop down and then come back up again. So you have to control yourself. Only way you're going to get crushed is if you're buying at the tops with mass volatility. You won't make money that same day. The only way you get paid is if you have to hold the pain, and then it's going to gap up the next morning. So bonds are going to be slow, but now going back to the plays, we have the April 170s. Y'all love me on the April 170s, right? Right? Because that's crazy. I'm telling you, that thing's going to be a whew. Amen. Yes, be patient like a sniper, baby. So I'm trying to tell. I'm trying to tell all the youngins right here, so they focused, ready to go. I don't want anybody shooting off right at the morning. Nobody. Listen, if you're going to go crazy in the morning, man, I'm just telling you right now, those are the people back in the Napoleon era when they would fight. Those are the people at the front line with the muskets. You don't want to be that guy. I imagine that stupid mofo out there. He was like, yeah, I'll be in the front. It's like, you in the front, you're going to get shot right away. So don't shoot right off the bat. Okay, you gotta be easy with it. I want you to snipe in the best way. Remember, how do you protect any weakness? If you have any emotional weakness, you want to go in, you want to shoot, you want to take it. What do you do? How do you protect that? Let's see. Pop quiz, mofo. I'm about to go. How do you protect it? How do you protect it? You panic? Nope. Hitting the balls, that helps too, but that's not it. Paper trade, definitely paper trade. Option trading, extremely risky. You can't lose all the most for financial investment. Please go financial educational purpose only. Budget, PB. Budget, a deposit. You scale in with a deposit. If you want to put down $100, but the IV's up, the market's crazy, put $20 now, Habibi. You put $20 now, and then I give you the other $80 over the first hour, okay? You come back, you put $20 now, you get a small $20 one. If you like it, you pay more, you pay payments. I give you payment plan, okay? That's how you do it, Habibi. You put the 20, then you wait, okay, maybe you like it, maybe you get a paycheck, maybe not. Then you go another 20. You know what I'm saying? That's what you have to do, okay? So that's what you guys got to do. Simple as that. So here's how we're setting it up in tiers. There's 3 ways to play TLT. 1, on the weekly when it makes all these volatile big-ass moves. If that's how it's going to run, you know what you're going to look for? You're going to look for the shorter duration, because then once the premiums drop, you snipe them for cheap, and then the goal is to get in the money. That's why we have 5 of these 151s. We have some next to in the money. Then you have the Marches. Marches are its own thing. And then I got the debit spread one. Marches we play in the middle, right? So by going in the middle now, you get to play a little bit cheaper, and you get a little bit more earnings potential. You get a higher percent, okay? So yes, of course we're live. Yes, we're live right now. You guys are tripping out, huh? Faith, baby. Amen, amen. And then April. Then you get the long terms. So we already have the long terms. Honestly, and that's what I said. Please, please, please watch the watch list, people. I need you guys to watch the watch list because I explained this. So if I'm moving too fast or if anything, I don't want you to forget, okay? I don't want you to forget. So this is the important part here is that don't sell out of these if you're going to buy another one. Oh, you sent a super chat? No, I didn't even see that. You're the real one. Up-to-date info. Oh, let's go, baby. I love you, man. I appreciate you. Apologies for not seeing that right away. I'm just too excited right now. And I'm waiting. I have to. You guys know I have to go to a dinner, right? I'm literally about to, like, what's it called? I was supposed to leave to a dinner and they were lagging. So I was like, screw you, man. I was like, you see futures? I got to get on this coach shit, man. What y'all saying, man? Y'all crazy. Man, that's crazy. Oh, Tiga, shout out to Trap House, baby. I might be able to get you guys on in my car, actually. I could see. We might be. You want to see my shit? Nah, man, you ain't want to see that. Come on, I just love y'all, baby. And I'm excited. And honestly, the first point, if you guys missed it, you could watch the recap, but this is what I said, is be careful off the open. Everybody needs to control their expectations. Listen, we a cult. We snipers, baby. We know how we do this out here, okay? We know how to do this out here. I don't want anybody going crazy. I don't want any emotions, nothing. You guys know that? No emotions. Get the emotions out right now. We gonna snipe, baby. So this is what I'm telling you, though, tiers. So like I was saying with the TLT 170s, you're not going to sell. You could ghetto spread them, and you can take money off. Listen, you don't sell if you're going to buy back more. If you're going to buy any on April, you don't sell out of these. It doesn't make sense we have such a good position, it wouldn't make sense to sell them. You could ghetto spread them if you'd like, but anything other than that, you take the money and walk away, or you trim a little bit and walk away. That's the best thing you could do. You could always go pay yourself, boom, take $1,000, however much it's going to pay out tomorrow. Leave a little bit in the cookie jar and go from there. If you want to play more, you just set up, go budget right now. Everybody go look through your accounts, see how much you could do. Go say, I'm going to spend $50 tomorrow, $100, $200, $400, $500, whatever the amount that you're willing to play. We're going to spread those between midterm and short term, and then you keep the Aprils. That's assuming you already own the Aprils. If not, if you don't own any, you could go ahead and get. None of this is a recommendation. We have to see. UVXY could be crazy, but like I'm saying now, what you want to do is break this down to be able to skip. We need 3 tiers. That's it. We need to get close to the money. Think about it. 3 standard deviations. You guys feel what I'm doing right here? We get the short terms to take advantage of the shorter term, and we want to get within 1 standard deviation of those. Next, midterm marches about a month, 45 days out. You want 2 standard deviations. Anything after that, we want 3 standard deviations. Y'all don't feel? You see what I'm saying? We are setting up trenches. Oh, come on, bro. We're sniping. We're setting traps every single time. So that's why you got to just pick your budget now and just go from there. So this is going to be important. And that's going to be the main play. We are still going to have the opportunity now to play Palo Alto, but this drop right here, 80% chance this just fucked up the whole entire Beyond play. So, that's what you got to be careful for. So $2,000 budget, $500 I would say on short term, $500 on this week or next week, and then put the rest on March. And that's assuming you're holding the Aprils. If you have no Aprils, 1,000, or maybe 300 short term, 500 midterm, and then the rest on April. But this is going to jack up the what's it called? This is going to screw up our the Beyond play. But we could still might be able to put the what's it called? We could still possibly play the Palo Altos. But again, this is going to change a lot though. This is a big drop, like we're saying. We got to watch out for the morning though. So. And watch this afterwards. Make sure you guys watch that. And also, too, here, if I have to get off, I do have to get off here soon. Follow me on Instagram. I'll go live on Instagram. That's what I usually do at nighttime when I'm driving. So follow me on Instagram at The Trading Fraternity. If you guys don't get that, we'll be on there. But if anything, though, that's going to be the game plan. I'm going to be focusing a lot on TLT and then actually Facebook puts. I like Facebook puts. Apple puts are a little bit cheaper. If you guys want to scan for something right now, we already, I could find IWM plays. We already have a SPY play. We have TLT. We have free UVXY. We might be able to treat UVXY like TLT, but UVXY is very, very expensive. So we'll have to see. NVIDIA could be a good one, but HD could be decent. But HD won't move as much because of earnings probably. But keep this in mind. Find a company now. You guys could go scan. We need to find cheaper puts. March 20th, you want to find the individual names that have exposure. McDonald's could be good. individual exposure to the market, because again, these are cheaper than the indexes. So UVXY, TLT, SPY, IWM, they're all going to charge a premium on what we're purchasing, especially when you guys have to. This is why I'm saying be careful in the morning, control the expectations, because this is just going to automatically jack up all premiums. So even if you're holding puts, you could use that as an opportunity to take a little bit as well too. So that is going to be the first issue. But what I'm going to be scanning, if I'm going to play any other companies, I might get a little bit of UVXY. I like Boeing. Boeing's a little bit cheaper, but try to find the individual companies that have exposure to the market that are a little bit cheaper. So these are the Boeings we got, these 285s. Let me show you these. Do you guys see why I like these? Because take a look in the last 14 days, right? This was the last time we had those drops. They shot up a lot. The stock was down, but you notice these haven't gone up on a premium. They kind of have a little bit considerably, but and I only say that because they ran out of time. You see the fact that they're more expensive than 2 weeks ago with 2 weeks of time less. That means the contract is expensive. Hold on. Hopefully I don't need to get gas. Yes, there you go. All right, follow me on Instagram, guys, because when I do go there, I'm going to go live on there, I think. I could do it in the car. It's just hard to read the chat. Y'all ready? Yo, y'all ready to go, man. I can't believe you guys are all on like this morning. That's crazy. Maybe we have to get some of the other. You guys know, too, if you're new, we're live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. So we're going to be on there in the morning, man. I better see y'all there. It's time, baby. Call activated. Well, here's the thing, though. I mean, we have plays. You guys could always watch this. Please make sure you watch the watch list because that explains the TLT strategy. But you guys could even cast money for Faith, baby. Let's go. Oh, Ali's been watching. He knows the name. I see you. Not too many people know who Faith is. I love Faith in my girl, baby. There you go. Let's get it, baby. I don't even have the horn queued up. This is wild, bro. This is wild, bro. 300 likes in the morning. Oh, that's over the big speakers. Let's wake the neighbors up. Let's wake them up. Let's go, baby. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. My bad. The filters are down, but the TLT, I got you guys a thing. Maybe if you guys, man, and thank you guys, honestly. Thank you for liking the video, both now and then on Friday, because you guys realized you liked the video so fast, I put $2,000 on those TLTs. So shout out to Cole, baby. Shout out to Cole, baby. If I make 20 racks off that, I'm gonna break you guys some off. I'm gonna do something. We gotta figure out something, man. Trust the coin, baby, right? Woo! That coin, baby. That coin. I love it. So here's what it is. Watch this afterwards if you miss it. That'll pay for like half a day. That'll pay for 1 day, half the meetup. But no, I'm excited. We'll see, baby. I'm gonna do something more. We'll get some more popping for y'all. But here's how it is going to be. Tomorrow's going to be exciting. And if you are too excited when you go to bed, you're very prone to get clapped in the morning because if the market bounces like I'm saying, just keep that in mind. You're going to get disappointed. So go to sleep, relax, don't trip out. But that is the number one thing. I need you guys to promise me this right here, right now, okay? I need you guys to promise me you're not going to go crazy tomorrow. I need you guys to really just be some real-ass snipers. I want your head in the game. I don't care how it plays out. It's God's plan, baby. You need to accept it as it comes. Be smart. Control the budget. That's it, okay? That's all I want. I want you guys to really not get too shocked about how this is going to move from the morning or anything because you are prone. I know a lot of you are new to this or a lot of you got puts or TLT. You're going to get excited. I know this is going to mess with you. So I'm telling you, do not get too emotional in the morning. The key is, if you haven't been here before, I've been here before, and a lot of other people in here have been before. So we need to control the emotions, don't water the weeds, and I need you guys in the game. That's it. You guys, I want tunnel vision on a crazy scale. I really do, okay? That's it. I want you guys to not go too nutty on this, okay? Because it doesn't mean you don't. I mean, if you want to, like I'm saying, if you guys could go, you could be smart. You can make plays on this tomorrow. I don't care how big you're going to play, but I want you to understand it's going to go beyond tomorrow. Do you guys realize that? There's going to be waves, just like we learned 2 weeks ago. I'm just patient as shit. A lot of people, that's why people are like, oh, it's not going to happen. No, it's going to. I want you guys in both directions, okay? I want you guys ready to go, and I that's the only thing that's going to kill you here is being too excited and getting disappointed, or being too excited and not following your rules of the budget and getting too emotional about it. That's it. That's it. You just need to you guys have seen me in plays. You've seen me been up a lot. It doesn't even matter. Just relax. That's all if you guys could do that tomorrow, you will be good. You will make a lot of money. You'll make a lot of money in the next 2 weeks if you could control your ass. That's it. If you don't let the emotions get to you, this is to keep the helmet. It's called the helmet, baby. We call it the helmet for a reason. That's your head. That's your mental space. So if you control that, you're going to be good to go, all right? So that is it, man. I wish I could stay here longer, but I was expecting about 30 minutes. It was about 25 minutes. I will see if I do. I'm going to have a long drive ahead of me. So if I could, depending on the timing of it, I'm either going to go on Instagram Live, or I'm going to go on, I'll come back on here on YouTube. It's just harder to stream on YouTube from my phone. Palo Alto's one. If you missed this right now, when this recap gets posted, I recommend that you watch it, because we did explain. Yeah, we went over the war plan, baby. Welcome to the war room. That's it. Back on YouTube, no IG. I'll try my best. IG is just easy for me. So especially while I drive. So follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We're live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open. Second link for the nightly watch list if you missed it. And first link for the Scream Alerts. Oh, yeah, it's better to have it than need to not have it. That's it. I was just doing my brainwash. I was brainwashed myself. I was like, what the hell was I saying right there? That's crazy. That's crazy, baby. I hope you're ready. I love all of you, man. And actually, let me leave it with that, man. All of you guys are blessed. You have blessings coming your way if you can receive it. I know there's a lot of reasons to doubt at any given point, but that you got to get off. That minute you have belief and you believe in yourself, you are going to accomplish a lot. It doesn't matter what the market throws at us, anything. It's all part of the plan, baby. That's it. I want y'all I want y'all relax, just shake up the shoulders, get relaxed a little bit. I command blessings on you. You got all these people in here with positivity and love. Like, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Like now, and I'll tell you right now, man, now is not the time to lose your head. You see it right there. That little bugger. You see the futures drop. You're looking at him and you think you got him. But if you lose your head and you get too emotional, he'll slip right out of there, pounce on you, and rip your eyes out. I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen many times. So please, control yourself and be ready. Do not lose the head, baby. That's it, man. So I'm going to leave y'all with that. Have a wonderful night. I love all of you more than you could ever imagine, man. The cult loves you. God is good. You are good. I hope you're ready, baby. Game time. Go get some sleep, baby. Go get some sleep, baby. That's all you got to do. You go get some sleep. You're going to be good to go. That's it. Relax. Drink some water. I need y'all to relax, though. You better relax. I'm telling you, if you guys come in too hyped tomorrow, you should be liking the video. Go bring a friend to Cult Day. You go post plays. But if I see too much emotion, I'll clap you. I'm going to clap. I don't even bring that around. It's war now. That's it. I need to go sit in my perch. I need to go lay in the grass. I'm going to go piss on myself. That's what I do. I wait for it. That's it. I need y'all chilling. Let's go smoke do whatever you need to do to chill, okay? Just chill out. That's all I need from you, baby. All I need, baby, is we going to get it, baby. So follow me on Instagram at The Trading Fraternity. If not, stay by your phone. I'll let you know if I come back on here. That's it. I love you all, man. I got to go. Have a wonderful night. Good night, baby. I'm going to see you in the morning, baby. Woo-hoo!